What's up, YouTube? Scott Lett here, owner of Pro Exterior Cleaning. Happy Wednesday. We have a really wet one here in Tulsa, but luckily today I will be under the bleachers at the football stadium I'm cleaning. I'm lacking probably about a week and I will be finished up with this job. So most of the work I have left is mostly concrete cleaning, which goes by pretty quickly. So the section that I'm cleaning today, probably top 5 dirtiest concrete that I've ever cleaned. So with that being said, I brought my hot water trailer. I'll be using my hot water pressure washer today. I'll probably use 250 degrees, and I'll use my SH. There is a deer. All right. Sorry guys, big hunter here, so when I see a deer, freak out. But anyways, yeah, once I get there, I'll show you how dirty this concrete is. It's got mold, mildew, algae, just cakes and just nastiness on it. And you can tell from the previous cleaning and just how bad of a job it was. So you can see streaks everywhere. So we're gonna prevent that today. We're gonna make sure this is a streak-free job. We're gonna use hot water and chemicals. And that's a pretty deadly combination for about any concrete cleaning. So I'll show you guys my setup once I get there, and I'll show you what all I'm cleaning. And then I brought my GoPro today, so I'll have some live footage, and then I'm gonna do a time lapse as well as I'm cleaning. So stay tuned and enjoy. I'm here. Just wanna take a second and show you guys how dirty this place is. I'm glad I brought the hot water because I'm gonna need it. So show you guys what I'm working with. Check out how dirty that is. You can see all the lines from the previous cleaning. Really green over there. This is pretty bad, guys. This is what 5 years of not getting this place clean will look like. Rock and roll, got my chemicals, my X-Jet to apply my chemicals, turbo nozzle, ball valves. So obviously I'm gonna go through here and pre-treat with SH. So I dropped my trailer right here because I'm gonna be working here most of the day. And then I have a section behind those bleachers over there that I'm gonna clean too. So I'm gonna take my cold water setup over there, have my buffer tank filled up. I'll use that Erie surface cleaner and I'll head over there and clean that section. But for right now, I'm gonna use the hot water trailer and knock this area out. What's up, guys? So in this clip here, decided to speed it up a little bit. So I'm going to show you a section I'm cleaning here. I'm going to pre-treat it first. You can kind of see the bubbles there. Well, I guess I already pre-treated it. I'm going to use hot water in my 28-inch BigGuy surface cleaner to clean this particular area. It's covered in mold, mildew, and algae. And yeah, I'm just kind of explaining, but you couldn't really hear me really well, so I just went ahead and did a voiceover. So check out this portion here, and you'll see definitely how clean this area gets. I mean, it was super dirty. You can kind of see there as I'm going along, you know, already the dramatic difference. I used a little bit too much surfactant here. It was kind of hard between the steam coming out from the hot water and the all the soap. It was kind of hard to tell what I was cleaning. So I think I used a little bit too much soap on this one, but the end result was a very clean area, which is what really matters the most. So so what I'm doing here is
or how I did this section is I used 10% SH and water and Dawn dish soap, and I just sprayed it on there and just kind of let it dwell. I think I let it dwell for about 15 minutes. And it was a really wet day, so I really didn't dilute it as much as I normally would. I think I put 5 or 6% on there just because it was so dirty. So with the 5 and 6% batch I made in the hot water, it really just did a great job. And pretty much this whole area that I cleaned, I went over it once, so I didn't have to repeat myself when it came to the surface cleaning part. So very successful day, got a lot done. And like I said before, this is probably the dirtiest section of concrete that I've cleaned. So, but now I'm about to just spray everything off with my ball valve to make sure everything cleaned up well. So, which it did. So I want to say this whole entire section, I want to say I did it in about 3 hours. So, and this is one of those jobs it'd be really difficult to do without hot water. So I very rarely use my hot water, but when commercial jobs come along, I usually have to because they're usually really dirty. So this place hasn't been cleaned in about 5 years. So as you can imagine, it was really dirty. So, all right, on to the next clip. Here's some before and afters.